Hi folks, Scott Kelby here. You probably already heard the big news. Adobe announced a brand new version of Lightroom, and this version changes everything. We have a whole new profile-based workflow, and it's awesome. It's a great workflow. But you might be wondering, why has Scott come out with this Lightroom book, right? Where has that thing been? Well, I gotta be honest with you. I held it back. I knew this profile thing was coming for a while. It is my brand new book for Lightroom Classic. It is the biggest update I've ever done to this book since the very beginning, because I covered all the new stuff, all my latest workflow, all the new profile stuff, all the new features. Plus, included in there is my Slim system, my simplified Lightroom image management system. If you've ever wanted to get really organized, if you ever wanted it to all make sense, have all your photos backed up, sleep well at night, and be able to find every photo immediately, it's all in there in this brand new book. So go right now to your local bookstore, your online bookseller, wherever cool books are sold. It's called the Lightroom Classic Book for Digital Photographers from Beach Bit Press.